Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export bookmarks. So let's get started. At first, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-line menu icon to access the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmarks. Then click on Manage Bookmark. From the window, click on Show All Bookmarks. This will open the library window. From the toolbar at the top, click on Import and Backup. And then select Export Bookmarks to HTML. A window will appear, allowing you to choose where to save the bookmarks file and what to name it. Select the location and provide a name for the bookmarks file. Then click Save. Firefox will export your bookmarks as an HTML file. Once completed, it will display a confirmation message. Your bookmarks are now saved in the specified location. You can now import these saved bookmarks into another browser or keep them as a backup. To import bookmarks into another browser, check its specific import settings. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.